As the court pleases. Therefore, my lord, as we for us to proceed and without having touched base or liaised or even seen the face of the affidavit, my lord. In that event, my lord, my humbly make an application that the issue of the detention be deferred to the next remand, which is the 12th day of March 2024. I am of the firm belief that there will be no prejudice that will be suffered by the Crown for this postponement, my lord, on this aspect and the issue of the exhibits, my lord. Yes, that will be all right. We are not opposed to the postponement. Because if the matter can be stripped down so that the respondent will finish the application. Notwithstanding, my lord, sorry to my learned friend, notwithstanding, my lord, it wouldn't serve any purpose because at the end of the day we need to have communication with our clients. It's a sworn statement, my lord. We need to take instruction. My take is what is opposite under the circumstances is to have it deferred to the 12th. My lord. As the court pleases, my lord. However, my lord, we do not want to run the risk of finding ourselves in a situation where we hurry up things only to also jeopardize them. May we be given the opportunity to take full instructions in our own comfort zone, your worship, with our clients. We don't know how long the affidavit is, for crying out loud, my lord. We don't know the amendments contained therein. Consequently, we don't know what our clients will then say pertaining to the amendments contained in the affidavit. That is why, my lord, I am humbly applying before this honorable court to have this issue, specifically this issue of the detention, deferred to the 12th, my lord. That's the court.
So that there's sufficient time to go through the documents and to take instructions. That's what we are saying. They are saying they don't want to be rushed and to take in risk of perhaps making concessions without having fully appraised themselves about the content and the implications.
The applicant will suffer a great prejudice, Your Lordship, in respect of the if the matter is deferred to the 12th, Your Lordship. There is a technical issue, Your Lordship, as to the lawfulness or otherwise of this item being kept in the police possession, Your Lordship, while the matter is pending, Your Lordship, unless my learned friend is telling the court that during the intervening period, these items will be lawfully in the custody of the police, because if we don't get the order today, the items will be not in lawful possession of the police. Because that's why we are here. It's an urgent matter. The issue of detention cannot be deferred, Your Lordship, in any event, because the law says once the item has been seized from an accused, it must be brought before a judicial officer for detention to avoid unlawfully being in possession of the police, Your Lordship. So we will suffer a great prejudice, Your Lordship, because the technical issue will be raised thereafter, Your Lordship. He himself will suffer assault for us. Yes, the court process, Your Lordship.
Yes, my Lord, with respect, the offices of the Director of Prosecutions should have foreseen that technical issue they are raising today. Because, my Lord, I think we should not be oblivious to the fact that, my Lord, court process is not a hide and seek game, my Lord. In any event, these items were still detained by the police. They will still remain with the police, Your Worship, pending the outcome on the Monday, my Lord. That is why our submission is that we do not foresee any reasonable prejudice to be suffered by the Crown in the event this matter is postponed to the 12th, to deal specifically with this issue. We cannot be in a position to run a risk in this matter, my Lord, with respect. My learned friend is accusing me now, my Lord, to say I'll assault me. There's processes, my Lord, in court. I will not play his hide and seek game, my Lord. I'll let him know if other step to be taken, my Lord. Yes, that will be when we insist on the defendant.
Respondents, we have an application for you to remain in custody and in lodging of a formal extradition application by the Western State.
kusentawumelela ukuthi kutholakale-ke emaphepha-ke yambeni ukuthi-ke aqhamuke-ke kuleli vele licela ukuthi-ke libalulekiswe kilo kwanyelo-ke ndaba eligcinwe-ke esitokisini.
No objection to the application.
Kude-ke lokuphikisiwe-ke kuleso sicelo leso.
So are going to remain in custody until the 12th March. And we will watch it.
Nitawugcina esitokisini niphinde niveleke ngayo lo mhla ka-12-ke kuMashi kusamele-ke ukuthi-ke ufake leso sicelo.
Now, the representative of the applicant has made an undertaking to cooperate and to have those documents handed in expeditiously.
Umshushisike wende-ke isiqiniseko sakakuthi kutawenda-ke ukuthi-ke lawo-ke maphepha lawo-ke afike masinyane.
So now there was a data application from Mr. Ngokubulala to say that two documents we handed in as exhibits and that all special also retained.
Kunalesinye-ke sicelo lesendiwe-ke ngumshushisi-ke ukuthi-ke kunemazincingo-ke litatholakala-ke kini ndabacela ukuthi-ke ziyinwe-ke nato.
Now this application is for now being proposed, not substantively though, but because in fact your representatives would still want to see the documents and to take instructions from you and to then decide whether or not the application is being proposed.
Kwanyalo-ke sisaphikiswa sizathu sekuthi-ke umeli wenu-ke ukuthi-ke ufuna ukuthi-ke athole lawo maphepha akhone ukuthi nasikawabonile-ke bese uyakhulumisana naye ukuza ukuthi ngabe leso sicelo leso siyaphelelwa yini.
Now, Mr. Ngokubulala, on the other hand, has said now this matter cannot be opposed, in fact cannot be postponed for the reason that if the matter is not decided today, the detention of the cell phones by the police will be illegal.
Umshushisi-ke uvekile-ke ukuthi-ke nangabe namhla-ke leso sicelo-ke singenziwa kunokuhlalwa kwaletinsingo-ke emaphoyiseni mhlawumbe sesiphikise sitechnical-ke emthethweni.
The court has found that the fear by Mr. Ngokubulala is not a well-founded one.
Kepha-ke inkantolo ichaza ukuthi esabalana ngokulimala ngase kakusikutholakala.
Now, the fear is technical because the applicants have brought the application for detention of the cell phone timelessly before this court.
Ngoba phela bayikhonile ukuthi balenzele leso sicelo saloku enkantolo.
Now, it is not their fault that the matter cannot be determined right away. Now, it is the matter cannot be decided because the respondents' attorneys want sufficient time to go through the papers. So now the court is going to allow postponement of determination of that matter until 12th March. Now it will allow provisional detention of the cell phones by the police pending determination of the matter.
amaphoyisa akaqhubekela agcindele umcingo kwanyalo kuze kufike intuthu wayo lenzanga yawo lamaselfona wadafweni.
Lihambe kanjalo-ke icala labasolwa ngokubulala aka kanye no-TIBZ eSwatini lizoqulwa ngomhla ka-12 ngesonto elilandelayo.